Hello everyone. So if you are watching this video today, you are certainly thinking about MBBS. If your ambition is to become a doctor and you feel it is difficult or it's challenging to secure an MBBS seat in India, then this video is for you. Now, Uzbekistan has emerged as one of the popular destinations for the students who want to pursue MBBS abroad. I'm sure you would like to know what are the benefits of studying MBBS in Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a very nice and a peaceful country. There is no donation to study MBBS. The tuition fees is very much affordable. You'll get recognized degree. The course duration is as per the NNC guidelines. The country is very close to India, just 3 hours from Delhi. Many Indian students are already studying MBBS in Uzbekistan, so it's not an unexplored option. You get good infrastructure, accommodation, and other facilities that you look for. Climate is good, and the quality of education and teaching has been consistently improving. So now you know the positives. I'm sure you would like to know what is the negative side of it. The negative side of it will be the small issues like language barriers, cultural differences, and staying away from home. They're the small issues that you'll have to face. Now, for your better understanding, I'm just going to show you a very quick review or kind of very small comparison between MBBS in India and MBBS in Uzbekistan. So as you can see, the first one, NEET rank. Now for MBBS in India, you should have a very good rank. Good rank is necessary to secure an MBBS government seat. When it comes to MBBS in Uzbekistan, qualifying NEET exam is enough. You don't have to score high. Coming to tuition fees, MBBS in India, private management NRIC tuition fees is on a higher side. When it comes to MBBS in Uzbekistan, tuition fees is anywhere between 3,500 to 4,500 USD, plus you will have food and hostel expenses. The medium of teaching is English. Course duration, MBBS in India is 4.5 plus 1, that's 5.5 years course. MBBS in Uzbekistan is 6 years course. Talking about admission process, MBBS in India, you have to register with the counseling authority. Seats are allotted through counseling process based on the choice or options that you enter in your option entry portal. MBBS in Uzbekistan, it's directly you will have to apply with the university for the admission. Talking about recognition, MBBS in India is globally recognized. MBBS in Uzbekistan, most of the medical universities of Uzbekistan are accredited by FIMA, WFME, ECFMG, and so on. Now, we would like to know what are the career opportunities after MBBS from Uzbekistan. Now, if you wish to come back to India or if you wish to practice in India, you have to give your FMG exam, or by then, if next is implemented, you have to give your next exam. Talking about if you want to pursue your post graduation abroad, that is in US, UK, or Australia, you can give the respective exams like USMLE, PLAB, UKMLA, or ANC exams. Now, I'm sure you would like to know how to proceed or how to secure an admission in medical college in Uzbekistan. Now, if you're very interested, you'll have to talk to your counselors today. We need copies of your 10th, 12th, mark sheets, NEET UG scorecard, passport copies, passport size photograph, and you just have to confirm your interest of which college you are interested in. And the rest, the whole process is taken care of by my team. We will walk along with you at each step till you get into a university in Uzbekistan. And even after that, you have a continuous support system from our side till you finish your degree. So, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Uzbekistan has become one of the most popular destinations to do MBBS for Indian students. So, please don't delay further. Contact us today if you wish to know more about universities, the facilities, the infrastructure, the academic, the coaching, the fee structure. Every information will be given to you, which will help you in your decision making process. Thank you so much. All the very best.